All the advantages of lobster and the best ways to prepare it for a meal. Lobster is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. High in vitamins and minerals. High in vitamins and minerals. Lobster contains various essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Omega-3 fatty acids. Lobster is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Lobster is rich in selenium, a trace mineral that acts as an antioxidant and plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and protecting against oxidative stress. Now, let's explore some ways to make a proper meal using lobster. Steaming lobster is a classic method that preserves the natural flavors and textures of the meat. Simply place the live lobster in a steamer basket over boiling water and steam until the shell turns bright red. Grilling lobster adds a smoky flavor and enhances the sweetness of the meat. Split the lobster in half, brush with butter or olive oil, and grill over medium heat until cooked through. Lobster bisque. Lobster bisque is a creamy and flavorful soup made with lobster meat, broth, cream, and spices. It's a perfect way to enjoy the rich taste of lobster in a comforting dish. Lobster rolls are a popular and delicious option. Mix cooked lobster meat with mayonnaise, celery, lemon juice, and seasonings. Serve the mixture in a buttered, toasted roll for a satisfying sandwich. Incorporate lobster into a pasta dish for a luxurious meal. Cook pasta al dente and toss it with sautéed garlic, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, and chunks of cooked lobster meat. Finish with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Create a refreshing lobster salad by combining cooked lobster meat with crisp lettuce, cherry tomatoes, avocado, cucumbers, and your favorite dressing. It's a light and flavorful option for warmer days. Remember to handle and cook lobster safely, following proper procedures to ensure food safety. Additionally, consider local regulations and sustainability practices when purchasing and enjoying lobster. Subscribe to my channel and share it with others to stay up to date with all the latest content and help spread the word to even more viewers.